As you can see, my dogs are anxiously awaiting the new toy I'm about to give them. It's the Pogo Plush. It has an outside layer of lamb's wool. The inside, as you can see from the packaging, has a skeleton that has a squeaker inside of it. So I'm going to open this up and give it to them. So what does he think this is used for? My dogs love anything with squeakers. That's just it. Give Sadie a chance. It's in here somewhere. Rusty loves to rip stuff up, as you can tell, so we'll see how well this toy lasts. Looking for that